missed the chalk. We missed
Wow, I got to take you on your first omnibus ride.
That was a first. We love it.
And you wanted to take the train. This girl and her trains.
Alrighty, well, hello everyone. Welcome back to a brand new vlog.
Welcome to Hurricane Day.
Welcome to Hurricane Day. We both are chilling like a villain out here in Magic Kingdom, and we're gonna see how much we can do in Magic Kingdom on a hurricane day where we are all out of school.
Orange County, Osceola County, Polk County, Seminole County. Every county in Central Florida is closed today.
Pretty much.
I believe the only county open is Miami.
Yep, and I think at the moment, the start of the weather is about 2 p.m. or so.
It's about to be 1 to 2 o'clock.
It's currently about 9:15.
9:23.
9:23. You're headed to Big Thunder Mountain.
I never do autographs. Here's Big Al. We're gonna rip this out and frame it with our country bear photos. Big Al never meets. We have a picture with Big Al from our last time we were here last year in October.
Roaming around.
But he's gonna christen the book. Did I buy a book for this purpose? Yes.
It might be useful for other characters. Maybe we eventually
else.
meet Figment or something.
Maybe we go to Jollywood and we get to meet other characters.
Exactly.
Come on up. You gotta know how to sign contracts. It's true. It's hard. Just like you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You like to see his beautiful students?
Yeah.
I told you, it's better than your students. I wasn't kidding.
I love it. Day made. All right, we have made it. It still says it is a 5-minute wait. Time is 9:34. First ride of the day after our special experience.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here.
'Su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas.
You ready?
Cuide a sus pequeños. Muchas gracias.
Partners, for your
Back. There we go.
remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside.
9:39.
And be sure to watch your kids.
5-minute wait.
And that's not normal what a 5-minute wait is.
Out in the wilderness.
For you.
Thank you.
That was the fastest load I've ever been on. They said load and go, bro. I was like, I support you. Wow.
We love that ride.
It's still given a 13-minute wait, which means it's a walk-on.
Perfect. So that's where we're headed to now. Switch over to the phone, which you can probably tell because of the quality and the bumping because we also walk in.
raining.
But yeah, it's raining, so gotta protect the camera.
We knew it was gonna happen. Plus, we also have to be careful with the camera battery.
Yeah, the
Don't know how
battery.
prepared we came for today.
We just said get up and go, and
Here we are. We're going.
here we are. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's real coming down now. The weather has arrived at the kingdom. Alrighty, here we are. It is still a 13-minute wait. We'll walk on.
Here in this gallery, here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corrupt or mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Alrighty,
You're right. I don't even.
we have. I don't even know.
Not her.
I don't know.
apparently.
Okay, there we go. We have
wet now.
finished. It is very wet.
So
It
we're gonna probably be on the phone the rest of the time.
yeah, probably, but that's fine. But
Breakfast.
but that was definitely like the full 13-minute wait because when we got in line, they closed the doors. So we waited for the next round. Then we went, easy peasy. It's now 10:15.
10:16. Yep.
10:16,
Watch
and
the
we are
bag
on our
up
way
and
to Boracay. We've officially made it to Gaston's Tavern.
We're gonna try the creme brulee croissant. You can't use
Okay,
I don't exist.
wait,
anymore.
I can't.
Just cut me
There
out.
we go.
Okay. We did the creme brulee croissant. We have feelings.
It was good.
It was good. It's like overstuffed, which is great if you like the filling, which I love the
Filling
filling.
was good.
They put too much sugar on top to caramelize, so the caramelized sugar didn't stick to the actual croissant. So you were eating sand of sugar. It's sugar,
Yeah.
but you felt like you were eating sand. It's all brown sugar. And then we got a lemonade by accident, intentionally on accident. It's a longer story.
I ordered a lemonade, but
I thought I told her Lafousse brew. But it also, and she ran with it.
yeah.
But they were out of I guess lemonade mix, so we have yellow lemony water. It's delicious. Would you like some? It's honestly like the perfect thing because I really didn't want lemonade at this hour, and you didn't either. So it's like just like
I wanted
a nice,
coffee.
just a nice little like splash of lemon in your water, but the color is really off-putting.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go try. Ow, you're standing the head. We're gonna go try and do Little Mermaid. I think it's about a 15-minute wait.
What time is it?
It is currently 10:33.
It's 10:33.
Stop impaling my forehead.
Let's see what else we can do. Look, I'm
Besides
confused
impaling
on
my
which way to
forehead.
hold this. All right. Little Mermaid, let's go. All right, that says a 5-minute wait right there.
I definitely saw 15 when I looked at the app earlier.
That's fair. It probably was. Okay.
I don't think we needed it this line.
No. Onward. A beautiful walk on.
Yeah, 5-minute wait it said, which is really just the time to walk through that queue.
It really was because they had like the entire queue open essentially, so there was a whole lot of walking.
They had their standard queue open.
Yeah, but that was a lot.
Have you done their extended
shorter.
queue?
No, but I've done their shorter.
I've done their extended queue.
I've done. Woo!
It like loops through that, like so where you go into merge.
Yeah.
To the left, there's a whole like spiral in one of the turrets.
Heard. No, I don't think I've ever done that.
You're like, they had an extended queue. I'm like,
well, it's been like they had like extra spots that they could have made shorter. It was open. You know what I mean? That's all I meant.
The hard part is the scuttle area. You can't skip.
Yeah.
You can't cut that anymore.
All right, where are we headed to?
I was gonna see if Jumbo was operating.
Well, yeah. I think so. We're right here. Storybook Circus.
Circle.
Let's see.
Yeah, I see people on
Yeah.
Jumbo.
All right. Dumbo, another 5-minute wait. Whee! Wow. I feel so unsecure. Goofy! Castle shot! What a great flight!
We each got our own Dumbo.
I love it.
Best choice.
Love it.
Best
Yeah,
choice ever.
that was amazing. We got some cute photos too.
I'm not gonna lie, I got a little dizzy.
Yeah, I was terrified for my life. So I used to holding my phone on those. I usually have like the camera like this versus like the phone like this, and it was a little scary. I don't trust myself, but we did it. I still have my phone. All right, so then next up, we got the Barnstormer. Another 5-minute wait. It is currently 10:55.
Alright.
11:02. We are in, on, and off of the Barnstormer. Front row, second row. What a great time. Our butts did not stay in one place that entire time.
But the seat wasn't wet, so I'll give them that.
It wasn't.
Can't have everything.
It was good.
Can't
All right.
have everything.
So now we are headed off to Tomorrowland.
Yeah. We got
Have
a lot
some
done
fun
so
over
far.
there. I know, right?
We did the
It's been good.
omnibus, Big Thunder, Mansion, Snack,
Yeah.
Little Mermaid,
Yeah.
Dumbo,
Yeah.
Goofy.
Yeah. Woo! Oh my God, that's what?
That's 7.
Hasn't even hit noon yet.
It hasn't. It's gonna
Still
be,
starving, though.
I'm still probably not gonna. I don't want to do Tron today 'cause it's a 45-minute wait.
I don't
That's the
care.
longest wait that there is.
Makes sense because it's
Tron
the
also-
newest.
It also just went to a standby queue.
Yeah.
And I don't really want to do Mine Train today either.
The hips,
I
the
like my
hipping.
hips.
It
It's
hurts.
truly a kid's coaster.
It is. The seats are meant for small hips, small bodies, small booties.
Yeah. So that takes at least 2 things off our to-do list.
Ooh,
What?
a cat tail.
That's all you. I want something savory.
I just want food.
Can I get French fries?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go to Cosmic? Want to go to your old stomping ground?
You don't have my cheese sauce anymore.
Okay, but you can't have everything.
But yeah,
You wait till we get
I
to
still need some food. Casey's.
Okay, let's go. Mine Train went up to 45 now.
Oh my
and Tron is still at 40.
Okay, that's not bad. It hasn't changed. Anyway, so change of plans. Not Tomorrowland. We are going to Winnie the Pooh's Many Adventures because it's only a 15-minute wait at the moment, and that's a fan favorite.
It is. It's a good tour.
And then headed back to Main Street, right after that?
I thought we were going to do Center Fantasyland. Do like Pooh.
Oh,
Carousel.
hit all the middle first.
Yeah.
Heard. Got it. All
It
right.
was either Tomorrowland where we do our favorites, which we love, but there was some longer.
Winnie the Pooh. Oh man. This is definitely one of our first actual lines of the day.
Yeah.
So that's not too bad.
And go.
All right. Let's see.
We have our.
Woo!
Look it. There's no one behind us.
The east wind traded places.
Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. There he is. That was like an 11-minute wait, 12-minute wait. Oh, oh. What's that say?
15 right now.
15 when we're on it. Woo! That was perfect. Tigger, I love you. Whee! Tigger. Me too, Tigger.
Watch out for the
Toy, toy. peplum sauce. Oh good, a thunderstorm, just what we need. Thirsty. Look, it's Florida. This looks like outside.
And everyone gathered together to say,
Hooray! Look at that happy boy. I love him. Look, that's me and my bestie. Thriving.
And then snacks.
Yay. All right. Winnie the Pooh.
You need
Check.
sunglasses
That was
now
a full
during
15.
hurricane.
I know. I can't see. It's super, super bright outside now. Not a fan. Thank you. But we are now headed off to PhilharMagic for our next attraction. There she be. Also, look how empty this place is. There's my mom. Let's go. Okay. Now it's windy.
It's not Wednesday, it's Thursday, but
You know.
it's more fun to say Wednesday.
We got some beautiful pins that we just
Oh,
traded.
yeah. Oh,
so
yeah.
quick I didn't even get to record it, but amazing pins.
You gotta move fast.
So
There's both
excited.
of these bitches.
That means what we need to do is
Buy pins.
we'll buy pins, but also like make sure we're stopping for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Now that we know there's some good ones in rotation, there's probably even more good ones in rotation. So
But first,
do that.
lunch.
lunch. Casey's, here we come.
Let's go.
Food is here. It looks so good. There was just a castle show. And this
what hurricane.
beauty. What a good lunch.
What is
All right.
in our shot?
Lunch was delicious. We are now buying some new pins.
We ran out.
We basically ran out.
We have more of these at home, but they're literally on the stairs to go upstairs
And
and get
these.
sorted. Yeah, we only have one though, because you got.
Yeah.
Only got. Oh no, we didn't, because you got. I got Stitch, and I got the monks.
Yeah,
So we don't have those to trade.
yeah,
So this is new for us to trade. These we have at home to trade.
Yeah.
We got Mickey and Minnie and Chip and Dale.
yeah.
So we're
So-
hoping for a couple. Not gonna jinx it yet.
Yeah.
All right, should I just start here?
But also, like, if we're looking to pin trade,
I
then
know it's hard.
then we
It's
can't
hard,
be
it's
hoping
hard.
for the ones we want to
But-
keep.
But these would be nice to have the ones we want to keep, because then it's easier to justify the financial decisions.
Yeah.
I can't get this one open. Oh, I got a hole. Oh, it's Pluto.
Oh.
These are actually quite sizable.
That's
I know we
cute.
said that last time, but like they
Yeah.
really are quite a large size of pin.
Oh, okay.
Guess you're going in the trash can. I was gonna make a final. We were gonna hold on to you for a minute, and we got Daisy.
All right. Two
Beautiful.
traders.
Exactly what we needed.
Yep.
The pin. This was the only box of this they had here at the Emporium.
Yeah.
So that does limit our options. Since we're only looking for one, we're kind of hopeful.
Be good. Be good to us.
We got a trader.
All right. Jazzy.
Oh, I know they perforated the tops of these. And the chipmunks.
All right.
Two traders.
Well, that works. Four
Fantastic.
traders. Here we go. All right. We made a much necessary stop for some Starbies. Cheers. Boop.
We have a problem. We found these in Frontier Trading Post.
Round two. Here they are.
They're kind of cute, I'm not gonna lie. Not as cute as me, but it's fine. Don't let that blow away. You're in charge of that one. Be free. Alright. Oh, interesting. The pin back piece is like on the stick itself. It's not on the apple. Or this doesn't feel like it's on the apple. Also, while you were away, we got a virtual queue for Tiana.
Yeah. We have a virtual
Oh my
queue.
God, bro.
We're in group
Open.
80,
Group 80.
which is also 10 groups away. So that's interesting.
Ursula is there first.
Cute, cute, cute.
We just stuck this stick. Ah! Fuck yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
I love a good Maleficent moment. Ah, Little John. Well, King John. And open.
Cute.
Alright.
One more.
This one's for all the marbles. Ah! Get out.
Cute.
I gotta say, these last few
Not
boxes
bad.
we've gotten, they're all, I kept it in my pocket, don't touch it. They're all pretty sizable.
Yeah.
I'm used to those boxes
I love it.
being a lot smaller.
All right, last call. Country Bear, Jamboree, Musical Jamboree. Words are hard. Here we go.
Alright, we have not seen this show yet.
We have not seen the new one.
I have trust issues.
Oh man.
Or smoking while in the theater. And you can take all the photos and videos.
Take you wonder by wonder.
Oh, I had to say goodbye. Remember me. Just don't let it make you cry. Too sad. I can't go home.
Alright. I think what I like though about the new bears is it's just that sense of life that I always felt with bears to begin with.
That's fair.
And I think it's now just for me to see my bears still getting love, still looking the way they are, just having that refresh, that care and consideration that I think they were losing because of their age. Do I love the music? No. I don't feel like we needed country renditions of any of our Disney songs. But I did enjoy it. There are a lot of nods to the original.
There's
They kept a lot
jokes.
of they kept a lot of little things there and here and there, and I really did enjoy it.
That's good.
Is it one that like I'm like, oh my god, I have to do it like I used to? Maybe not, but I will definitely go with anyone that wants to go on their first time to see it.
Bet. I love it.
And now we get to go do a virtual queue because literally as I stood up and took my phone out to take a picture, it said your group has been called.
Literally, that does not happen for the 1 o'clock. It is
1:20.
1:20.
Our group was called literally at 1:20 because it says
That is-
experience by 2:20.
Insane.
So this changes our plans.
So here we are. Tiana.
You're gonna go from Bears to Pirates, and then come back and take the train around to Tomorrowland. We are now gonna go Tiana's and then train. I'm guessing.
Yeah, I like
And then
it.
we'll just hit Pirates on the way before we leave.
Yeah, I like it. I also want to note that this is our second time doing it.
Ever.
Ever. So it'll be fun to see the new stuff. I think like no phone, because we've already done it, I've already recorded it
Yeah.
personally.
I'm not.
And just like watch.
Yeah.
Because we both had our phone out a little bit for our first time because it was the first.
But I think I'm more excited to ride this without my sunglasses on.
Yeah. It's gonna be good.
Looking for
We did it.
Yeah, literally we were on and seated within 15 minutes of our group being called.
That was so impressive. Look at the line now. It's out there.
It's ridiculous.
We walked straight into that building.
Yeah, we were right by
Waited
the door,
like
but we were
5
filming.
minutes.
Yeah, they're loading pretty fast though. Even so.
I'm shocked because it's had a very bad reputation of shutting down like 17 times a day.
It did go down earlier today, but that was due to weather. I'll take
So-
the phone.
And she kept her eyes open.
I did.
She's so good.
I did. Did I get a reward?
You get the reward. Now we go on the train.
I put it up in my reward. I want a reward.
Ungrateful. There's a train ride success.
And fuel ride.
I had a super funny moment where I looked over the bridge because that's where we joined, like sat down on the train, and I saw one of my students and I was like, ah! But like, boy had headphones on, they were looking down, I was like, ain't no one gonna hear me, so why was my instinct to go, ah! Name inserted. But like, you know, hilarious. I told him I was gonna go, and he called me crazy, and he judged me, but here we are. All right, our next adventure is Carousel of Progress. JK.
The wind picked up, so we decided we're gonna do people mover first, just in case of weather.
Just in case. Play it safe. So, people mover. We're in the front. Except I'm going backwards. No, I like it. So I'm satisfied. This perfect duo right here. It's like this part that's like fluff from the wind, and this part that's slicked back.
This is the TTA Blue Line.
There's a parade in the distance.
The next station is
That is so
Tomorrowland
funny.
Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red lines. Don't worry.
Wow.
The express train keeps on.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy F31. Please keep forward-facing controls clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Now approaching Monsters Incorporated laugh floor.
Mike Wazowski has brought in some real monsters of comedy. Whether you have one eye or 9, take the time to see this show.
Just like that.
That's a wrap.
Howdy.
Yeah,
It's time for our
howdy.
afternoon nap.
The bell's about to ring. School is over.
I'm already driving home at this point. I'm already halfway there. Just kidding. I literally probably am sitting at the stupid stoplight in traffic.
And last ride of the day, the train ride.
Favorite. I'm a little biased.
But here's the sky at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Looks like a normal day.
This is a normal 3 o'clock.
This looks very normal. Ew.
Look, there we are.
Hi car! Bye car! Alrighty, well I hope you guys have thoroughly enjoyed this video. I know it was all over the place. So were we. The plans were all over the place. The footage is all over the
But
place.
that's the best part because when you do a day like this at Disney, you kind of just roll with the punches. And even now with it being a paid fast pass service,
Yeah.
you kind of just got to figure out where your cues, what's the best cue for you, what you can handle, what you can do. And yeah, it's a hurricane day, but plenty of rainy days at Disney do this all the time.
Yeah.
So really just be willing to go out, be willing to take the rain risk, and just suck it up, buttercup.
Yeah. Alrighty, let me know if you guys like this video. Let's go get tie-dye cheesecake. I'll see you guys in the next video.